Hey everybody, it's Tip Tuesday. So I wanted to share with you today a great tip for getting your bangles that just are a little too tight to go over your hand. This one does open. It does open, but for demonstration purposes, I'm going to leave it closed. For those bangles that don't quite fit over your hand, but they would fit on your wrist, the trick is to just take a paparazzi bag or any other shopping bag and you slide that right over your hand. Take the bangle and slide it down and just walk the bracelet on and it slides right on. And then remove your bag. And ta-da, it's on. Now to remove it, you just feed the bag in. And then invert your bag. So pull the bottom part over the top part. And walk it off. You slowly walk it. And as the bag turns inside out, it'll safely keep your bangle inside the bag. So that's a great tip for those bracelets that don't fit your hand but will fit your wrist. I hope you join me next week for Tip Tuesday. Have a good day.